SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to block a text message on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing or liking this video. If you've received a text message or an iMessage in the Messages app on your iPhone, and you would like to no longer receive messages from the phone number, contact, or email address that contacted you, then you can block that text message by opening the Messages app. You can then select the conversation from the person with whom you would like to block future texts, and then you can tap on the name or phone number at the top of the screen. Here you're going to look for this little info button in the top row of options, and you can select that. Now you're just going to scroll down until you find the block caller option on this menu, and then you can tap that, and then you can choose the block contact option to confirm that you will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime calls from people on the block list. Now once you tap block contact, then that's going to block that person from sending you text messages or calling or FaceTiming you. So if you find that you've blocked someone accidentally and you would like to unblock them, then you can always come back to this menu and tap the unblock caller button, which should be shown here to indicate that the contact is currently blocked.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.